Allegation is a statement of claimed fact contained in a complaint, a criminal charge, or an affirmative defense. Until each statement is proved, it is only an allegation. Some allegations are made on information and belief if the person making the statement is not sure of a fact. Generally, the party making the allegation has the burden of proof to prove the allegation is true by providing evidence. The defense provides evidence that the allegation is not true. Both parties may provide witnesses to support their case.